American Northwest University, known as ANU, sold itself as an international medical school right here in Belmopan. On its website, the university promoted 4- and 6-year Doctor of Medicine programs, complete with clinical rotations in the United States, including Chicago. ANU also claimed recognition from the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Health and Wellness, presenting itself as a legitimate pathway for students hoping to earn medical licenses abroad. For many students, those premises were enough to invest thousands of dollars and years of their lives. But then, without any warning, ANU went quiet. Students tell us there was no official notice, no guidance on what to do next, and no refunds. When we went to campus today, what we found was an abandoned building, fenced off and chained shut. No staff, no classes, and so far, no answers. The uncertainty surrounding the school deepens amid legal troubles overseas involving one of its senior figures. According to a report by Becker's AAC Review, an Illinois physician has been charged with more than $1 million in alleged Medicaid and Medicare fraud. The article reports that the physician is accused of billing for medical services he did not personally perform, including allowing an unlicensed individual described as a student from a non-certified medical school to treat patients while he was out of the country. Now, it's important to be clear here. The Becker's report does not name American Northwest University, and it does not directly tie that fraud case to the school's operations in Belize. But those charges appear to have raised serious questions about whether the institution could continue operating. So, we went looking for answers. We visited the Ministry of Education and the Tertiary Level Institutions and Accreditation Unit, the body responsible for overseeing post-secondary schools. While we couldn't get an on-camera response, by this evening the ministry did issue a statement, and the Ministry of Education spoke with us about the options now being explored for students caught in the middle.
We believe that this matter will be resolved very quickly. The reality is that the charter of the university expired in June of 2024, I believe, as far back as then. And it was not renewed. I think the ministry had been trying to work with the university to try to ensure that they meet the terms and conditions of that charter before a renewal could be made. That has not been successful thus far. So the decision was made not to renew the charter. And we are working with the students, their families. We're working along with the University of Belize. As you know, the University of Belize recently opened a medical school. So we're engaged with them and the students to see what solution can be found in terms of having those students transfer, if you like, to the University of Belize Medical School.
There's still much to be resolved, and significant money students are trying to recover. But despite widespread concern, many students remain afraid to go on record. They tell us they were warned against speaking publicly, fearing legal consequences. In a message shared with our newsroom, the director of the institution stated that anyone speaking about the school's operations could face action under defamation law, insisting the school has evidence of its legitimacy. Despite operating without a charter since 2024, the warning has had a chilling effect, leaving students anxious not only about their education, but about speaking out. We reached out to the individuals listed as employees of American Northwest University, but all declined to comment. We will continue following this developing story and bring updates as more information becomes available. Shane Williams reporting for News 5.